Hey guys, you may know me as the Golden Egg. So I kind of have the issue where I have no subscribers, aside from my one friend, and I'm starting to think all hope might be lost if I don't do some kind of short. So here we are, shamelessly plugging my own channel in a YouTube short. Anyway, on to the channel description. So, if you like gaming things, and you don't find my voice annoying, since I'll be talking a lot in those videos, then possibly subscribe, maybe like the video, or like the videos, whenever I get to verify my channel. Anyway, that's it.